Hello. As mentioned, here is the quick review. Ads like the Facebook pixel or web-based GA4 typically miss 30 to 40% of conversion due to iOS restriction and ad blockers. This is not my opinions. This data is according to Google. Let me show you. Here is the Google data. How much percent data can be missed if the server side is not tracked? As the 30 to 40% data is missed. This is according to Google data, as the Google data. And let me show you when a user make add to cart or purchase or some things, the browser tried to send this data directly GA4, Metapixel or others analytical platform. I'll show you when the browser a user add to cart a product add to cart a product, you can see add to cart is fired, and you can also see they have also received the add to cart. Okay, when a browser send it directly, therefore Metapixel or analytics platform is received easily. But if user using Safari browser, an iOS device, or use the ad blocker, the browser blocks that event. As a result, the store owner never get the full conversion count in GA4 or Meta Ad Manager or others platform, which increase their cost per acquisition. To solve this problem, we use the GTM server-side and conversion API, all standard events through first-party cloud server. It safely passed a blocker and recovers a lot of purchase event and send clean and accurate attribution data back to GA4 and ad channels. Now, you might be thinking, if a browser or ad blocker blocks data when sent from the browser side or client side, why wouldn't it block data when sent from the server side? There are few reasons. I told you the biggest one. Browser side tracking. When data is sent directly from the browser to Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel, the browser see that data is being sent to a third-party domain like googleanalytics.com or facebook.com and etc. etc. And ad blocks and Safari iOS easily detect and block the third-party request. But when we are set up the server-side tracking, I'll show you. Server-side tracking. First of all, we create a subdomain like this. We create a subdomain, then we verify this domain, your backend, website backend, CNS, DNS, CNAME. When we verify this subdomain and send data through this domain, the Safari iOS device detects this is the first party data. So they don't block this event, first party data. I think you understand, and it is helpful for you. Thank you very much.